Good morning everybody, it's Mrs Randall here for our British Values Assembly. It occurred to me that maybe we might have forgotten what that actually means, so here's a quick refresher. There's 5 of them, and values mean it's things that we believe in. So in Britain we believe in democracy, being able to vote maybe for what we would like, maybe for our house captains or pupil voice in school. We believe in having rule of law, we need those to keep safe. We believe in individual liberty, so being able to express our opinions freely and go places within reason. We believe in mutual respect, that's one of our school values, isn't it? So we respect others and they respect us. And we believe it's really important to tolerate different faiths and beliefs that might be different to our own. Now today we're going to talk about the rule of law. And we know there's loads of laws and rules in our world, and at the moment there's a few extra ones. So it's a bit tricky. Because of that, I thought let's actually have a bit of fun and make it a bit light-hearted. So I wondered, if you were in charge, what rules would you have? And if you can think of some, maybe chat with your grown-ups or someone else in your house and pop them in the comments below so we can all have a read. I thought I would share one of mine. At the moment, I'm still having to get up really early, whether it's a day I'm in school or not, because my youngest, which is Elliot, is a bit of a pickle and still gets up between 5:30 and 5:45 in the morning. So if I really was in charge, I would make it a rule that everybody has to have a lie-in until at least 7:30. Now for some of you that might not seem very late, but for me that would be amazing. So I wonder what yours are. Have a think, share, and then we can all have a little bit of a smile at reading them. Take care everybody, stay safe, bye.